Hi, welcome to my Drop Servicing 101 course. In this course, you're going to learn everything about drop servicing. I guarantee you that after completing this course, you should be able to run your own drop servicing business. Let me show you what we're going to be covering in this course. I know this course can be hours long. Because of that, I'm breaking it into series so you can follow along. We're going to be covering product research, where to get our services to resell. After that, we will set up our website just like this in order to start accepting payment. From there, we're going to be doing our product research on websites like Fiverr, freelancer.com, and other freelancer marketplaces. After we set up everything and set up our packages, we're going to promote our website or our services on Facebook for free. Not just that, we also list our services on classified ads website, and that's the free marketing route. We'll go deep by looking at how to run ads and target people who may be interested in our offer. Because of the detailed nature of the course, I'm going to be breaking everything into series. Enough of the talking, let me show you a demo how the website is going to look like and how the business model will be. So this is my landing page and this is the website I'm going to be using to collect payments. Okay. Your customers can click on order now and go to your payment or your packages. And here are your packages. Okay, you have basic package, standard, and premium package. With your basic package, you can give your price, description, and what you offer. The standard package, the same way, price, description, what you offer. And the premium package, your price and what you offer. You may be wondering, hey, I don't have any skill to sell. Don't worry, in this video you don't need any skill to start. You can start by outsourcing. Once you get a client, you go ahead and place an order on a freelancing marketplace at a lower price and then keep the profit. Okay, so after they land on your website and show interest, they'll click on get started. So they'll click on get started, and it will take them to an invoice page, a payment method where they can start accepting, they can make payment. So let's wait for a PayPal invoice page to load, and as you can see, they'll be able to pay you through PayPal. Hey, if your country does not support PayPal, don't worry, because this video is going to be hours long. I'm going to take my time and explain everything in detail. Okay, so let's go back to the website. All right, the same way applies to the standard package. You can click on get started and then pay you. After you receive your payment, you go ahead and place an order on freelancing websites like Fiverr, Upwork, or other freelancing marketplaces, and then you keep the profit. All right, so I'm going to be explaining everything in detail in this video. Also, I'm going to be showing you how to integrate WhatsApp chat system on your website so that they can start chatting with you on WhatsApp, and when you come to an agreement, they'll place an order. All right, so that's how it works, and I'm going to show you how to add these pages: featured, about us page, home page, and the pricing page. All right, so let's go back to the home page. So if you're excited to see this coming up in this video, I'm going to be explaining everything into detail. So don't forget to watch my next videos where I'm going to be showing you everything from scratch. I'll see you in the next video.